This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an RC Toyota Supra. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a hobby knife, a small screwdriver set, and some fine grit sandpaper. Next, select a high-quality RC car kit specifically designed for beginners. This makes the process much smoother. Finally, ensure your workspace is clean, well-lit, and organized. A tidy area prevents lost parts and makes assembly much more enjoyable. We're aiming for a fun and straightforward build. Now, let's dive into assembling the chassis, the backbone of your RC Supra. Begin by carefully attaching the motor and transmission to the main chassis frame, ensuring all gears mesh perfectly. Next, install the suspension components, making sure they move smoothly and are properly aligned for optimal handling. Finally, secure the steering servo and its linkages. This is crucial for precise control when you're driving. Take your time with these steps for a robust foundation. With the chassis complete, it's time for the electronics and bodywork. First, connect the electronic speed controller and receiver to the motor and steering servo, following your kit's instructions carefully. Next, unleash your creativity by painting the Supra body shell with your desired colors, then apply the decals for that authentic look. Finally, mount the finished body onto the chassis using the provided body clips, ensuring it sits securely. Your Supra is really taking shape. Before hitting the track, let's perform some crucial final checks. Go over your entire RC Supra, ensuring all screws are tight and every connection is secure. Next, calibrate your remote control and thoroughly test all functions, including steering and throttle, to confirm everything works perfectly. Finally, find an open, safe area, free from obstacles and people, for your exciting first drive. Enjoy the thrill of controlling your very own, custom-built RC Toyota Supra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.